You're a true wine taster.
No, he's just a heavy bleeder. That almost came out on
You
him.
almost got a face full of wine.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Come on in. Thanks for welcoming us.
Thanks for coming.
How's it
Good to
going?
see you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Casey.
Craig. Craig, Abby. Before we get too far into the fun and excitement and the destruction of your beautiful dream kitchen, I do have some gift cards for you. This is from the Square Wine Company, and this is from Metcalf's.
And I brought a couple t-shirts and a hat from Tangent and a $100 gift card. So,
Wow.
You had to say the numbers. Well, this is actually $1,000. All right, so we've got some ribeyes, I've got luncheon potatoes, we've got some bean sprouts, a mango. This is an aged chev, and then some parsley, some Italian parsley.
then I brought some bacon and some aged cheddar. Do a light salad maybe.
Okay.
Get some bacon going.
All right.
Just do a light bacon, some kind of Asian dressing, a little bit of lemon.
We've got a spinach salad. We made an Asian dressing. It's got sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, ponzu, just like a citrus sauce, and bacon fat. And then a little bit of mango.
We're gonna make a carrot puree of those steaks.
Oh, we've got these bean sprouts. I'm gonna put those in your field of vision
Okay.
so that you don't forget about them. Because I love you. We've only just met, but I'm certain that we're meant to be together. All right, we got carrot puree. Potatoes are boiled in the oven.
Potatoes are right here. We're gonna toss in
Boiled
some bacon
and not in the
in a
oven.
sheet pan.
You want to do you have these like any herbs or anything?
Just gonna toss in the parsley when they come out.
Parsley when they come out. I love you,
Maybe a
girl.
little bit more cheese.
There we go. You covered them in aluminum. What are you doing?
I'm just tenting them so they can rest and so the juice stays inside. Carrot puree. Some roasted potatoes with parsley and then that aged goat cheese.
All right. So what are we serving, man?
So on the bottom is a spicy carrot puree, and then we have some roasted potatoes that are roasted in bacon fat, and then topped with parsley and some aged goat cheese, and then just a seared ribeye, and then a quick bean sprout salad on top.
Looks great.
Yum. Thank you, chef.
Yes. Thanks, chef. Enjoy your dinner.
Little fresh mango, toasted marshmallows covered in cinnamon toast crunch, a fresh Sauvignon with Dickel whiskey and an orange liqueur, and bacon.
Can I just pause everyone for a second? This is a dish you'll never eat in a restaurant. Made with found items from your kitchen. That's the mark of a true chef. Good work, brother.
Yeah, all right.
Casey, steaks are outstanding. Dessert was amazing. Everybody was really, really happy. Good work. Thank you. Craig, Abby, thank you for being a wonderful host. I want to thank Minnie of Madison. I want to thank Metcalf's. I want to thank Square Wine Company and Dream House Dream Kitchens.
Cheers.
Cheers. Until we meet again, guys.
Cheers.
Special thanks to Minnie of Madison for sponsoring the last 24 episodes of our show. For those of you watching, stay tuned in the coming months for the next iteration of our show, and we'll see you then.